schedule again. But we have to close at 3 today. We're heading to Kigali, Rwanda, basically because we're having work there. And because our flight is at 9, we go after this conference directly to reach the airport in time, because there can be a lot of traffic jam. We have a lot of stuff in the car. We just arrived in Kigali in our hotel, so this is my room. It's basically small and compact. I haven't even opened this door. This is not doing anything. Well, is there another switch? Nope. Peace. Oh. Aha. Ah, it works. It looks like a normal one. And I bought a SIM card, which is great. So I will get refreshed and then maybe a beer or two. I haven't seen any hotel before that actually has problems with too much hot water. Actually, I'm happy that I really can shower hot, because people who wanted to shower cold, it's probably not even possible. The problem with the bed is I don't know if I can demonstrate, but it's a brick. There's like nothing soft on this bed. Luckily, I'm also really good at sleeping, so I can sleep basically everywhere, but this is a challenge. I mean, if I have to sleep on this for a week, I will probably become a brick myself. Another funny thing is actually, if you look at this bathroom door and the corner here, and I actually already moved the table a little because it was just opening maybe this much. What the heck? Let's check out what we can see. Well, right. No mosquito net. Let's check out breakfast. I think I'm going just for a coffee because I'm not even hungry. Also, I don't know why, but they have different Wi-Fi for different areas, and it's slow as f. So we arrived now at the second pub, and the first pub was called
Shetania. This is called car wash.
Car wash. Okay, fine. Why didn't we take the car then?
It's a car wash actually, they wash cars. And that's somebody who's taking videos.
Today is the workshop day for blended learning, online course creation and blended learning course creation. So this is the room, and right now we're having group work about transformative pedagogy. Lunch break. We're going to a coffee place now.
Group on the coffee again.
Morning. So, second day of workshop today, and I just had some quick notes about this hotel because we're actually going to change the hotel today. It's not too bad, but it has some flaws. One, brick mattress. So we only have one towel at in the bathroom. So that's really unpractical, especially when you shower. Everything gets wet. Shower has water problems. Either it's boiling hot or it's ice cold. No space to put anything. Dreadful toilet paper. I feel like I'm getting picky with hotels, but if you're traveling like 1.5 months straight, you're probably getting picky at some point because you can't take it anymore. Wi-Fi is dreadful. Positive. They have blackout curtains and you can attach them. Good part as well, they have European sockets. Ah yeah, a breakfast. They don't have a buffet, so you have to order breakfast, and if you have to rush out to work, that's really not working at all. So they actually told us yesterday that there's no time to make coffee within 10 minutes. Coffee takes too long. We asked for water. They gave us water, and in the end we got a bill. How can coffee be free and breakfast and water costs money? Also the juice is free, so it really doesn't make much sense. They don't have any cards, they have keys, which is really unpractical because they don't have doubles, and they don't fit into my phone case or anything, so you have to take care of a key, an actual real physical key. And the cleaning lady will shout across the corridor to you, "Give me your key," because she wants to clean, and I said no all the time because I didn't want. There's this window, and well, it can't directly see my bed, like it's really high up, so that's probably not a problem, but there are lights. You have to go out to the corridor and turn off the damn corridor light when you want to sleep because it's really bright. We tried to visit the genocide memorial after work today, but apparently visiting hours are until 4:30 and we didn't make it in time. We switched rooms, and first impression is the bed is still quite hard, but it's much better. Like there's a small difference, but this small difference actually makes a difference. The first thing I noticed was really strange. So when they opened the door also banged against the table. What's wrong? Why do people not look at this? And actually it's because there's this fridge and the table was not here, it was a little bit further, so there was a little gap here. And my colleague said, wait, let's move the table. And the guy said, why? Don't they notice? Like you can actually see it. And the bathroom, which is, to be honest, I mean, it's not the best bathroom I've ever seen. Black thingy is my stuff. I can put it somewhere, and I have... Is that a cat? What the heck is this? This doesn't look very nice, to be honest. This doesn't look nice, but it's there. It's something. At least it's some more space. It's a little bit more... Hey, look at this. There's a hairdryer and more than one towel. Yes. They could maybe clean the windows a little bit. So they advertise a swimming pool in this hotel, but I just asked at the reception and went. They had to show me where it is because I was like, why do you have to show me where the pool is? It's actually a long way. You have to go out here from the reception, go into the next building, go 2 levels down, and then across the corner, and then there is something that they call a pool. For example.
Yeah? Well, I don't notice anything.
I was like, okay then.
It's much better than many things I've seen though.
This is a self-driven one.
What does it work?
It doesn't.
But I saw another guy using it.
Huh.
It was working.
Well,
Now.
well.